can talk about it after, but I want to see both right now. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Start that.
13年前、アメリカで銃を使った大きなテロが起こったの。その日に銃の悪魔が現れた。
The gun devil? So there is a manga, okay.
夢くらい見させてほしいよな。
君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に変われるか。
That's why her eyes had like the targets on it. So she's the gun. Okay.
軽い気持ちで仕事するやつは死ぬぜ。生きてるやつはみんな根っこに信念があるやつだけだ。
おうおう、ひげ伏せ人間、わしの名はパワー。人間は嫌いじゃん。そして悪魔も嫌いじゃん。
ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに、んなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
Oh my god.
デンジ君は人間だけど悪魔になることができるんだ。
Oh my god.
君は他のデビルハンターの誰よりも特別だから。そうじゃそうじゃ、戦いだ。
悪魔に寝返った場合は俺たちが殺す。お前以外全員本気なんだよ。
邪魔すんなら死ね。
Look, I know videos don't get long. I know we're watching. I'm watching that again. That was. So now we kind of know the story of what's going on in this, because that last one was just a bunch of flashes of random.
夢くらい見させてほしいよな。
君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、人として私に変われるか。
軽い気持ちで仕事するやつは死ぬぜ。生きてるやつはみんな根っこ
So
に
these guys are all people that kind of hunt down devils, and the one guy that doesn't, that literally just wants to live a normal life, just happens to be able to turn into a devil. That sucks.
そして悪魔も嫌いじゃん。
ただせめて普通の生活がしたいだけなのに、んなことも叶えられねえのかよ。
What were they doing? Why? Oh my god.
デンジ君は人間だけど悪魔になることができるんだ。
The way that man transforms, oh my god. That has to be one of the most crazy transformations they put into one of these shows. Oh my, that man really just pulls it and just blade comes out of his forehead. Oh my god.
悪魔に寝返った場合は俺たちが殺す。お前以外全員本気なんだよ。
Oh my, so that's that guy's power? He can literally just do that and oh my god. Bro, I need this show now. When was the date? I know it put a date at the end, but okay, so oh wow, we just get it in October. But is TV Tokyo, is this when it comes out in Crunchyroll as well? Or wherever it's coming out, 9 whatever I gotta watch it on. Like I don't care. I'll watch it on whatever. I need to see this as soon as it comes out. If it is October that it comes out in all countries, then I mean I definitely got something to look forward to. Anything else at the end? Okay, no. Oh my god. That is. Look, I'm not gonna lie. I was expecting to just do a normal reaction, like, you know, just kind of did the normal reaction, being kind of like, this is kind of cool, and then like move on, you know. I hold on. Nah, we need this right now. I'll make sure that I know October 10th. I gotta remember, you know, October 10th. I can't make any plans for that day. That day is now known as Chainsaw Man Day. That's the only thing I'm gonna be doing that day is watching that show, and I'm probably gonna watch that show. I would see. I'm kind of lucky that they don't put out shows all episodes at once, because if they did, you know I'd be calling out of work all the time, bro. But yeah, 100%. That was one of the dopest trailers I've seen so far. 100%. And it's been a while since I started I only started watching anime like what, 2020? Maybe that. I think it was a little later actually. So all the shows I've watched, like the trailer's kind of already been out. The show has already been out for years. So I've just been like catching up for a while. This is the first one in a while where I've like seen a trailer and like excited for it to come out. So this might be the first anime I watch where I actually watch it when it comes out. That is crazy that I've watched like 200 shows and none of them have been like coming out at the time. But yeah, 100%. This looks crazy. Let me know in the comments if y'all are hyped for this. I know a lot of people are, and now I know why. But yeah, y'all continue to recommend these trailers or shows, whatever, because y'all just be recommending the best stuff to ever exist. I'm not gonna lie, none of y'all have missed so far. All the comments are always full. I'm just gonna make sure there's nothing at the end just in case. Okay, cool. But yeah, y'all keep on recommending these. This trailer has been crazy. I'm glad that the second one was there, because I'm not gonna lie, if I just reacted to the first one by itself, I wouldn't know. Like, I would be intrigued, but there was no way I was getting any information on what the show was actually about from the first one. That one was, but yeah, that second one did a pretty good job of showing what's going on without showing too much. But yeah, 100%, keep on recommending. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.